Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video, we will discuss conditional lethal genes, or you can say conditional lethal alleles. So we know that lethal genes are the gene that causes death of an organism that has these genes. Conditional means under certain conditions, means an organism that has a gene that will live normally in normal condition, but that gene will cause death of organism under certain environmental condition. Let's understand this first with a hypothetical example, then we will discuss two real example of conditional lethal. Suppose this is an organism, and this organism has a gene, this one. This H gene in this organism is mutant. So this has this mutated gene. If this gene is functional, so normal wild type gene of this gene is H gene. Suppose it produces a protein, and that protein protects that organism under high temperature. So this specific protein that is produced by this H gene protects this organism under high temperature. Now if this gene is mutated, means it has H negative allele, mutated allele. So this A organism will live normally under normal temperature. So it is living normally under normal temperature. But when temperature is high, suppose it is below 40 degrees Celsius. So below 40 degrees the temperature is very high. It does not have mechanism of protection, because that gene H that produces a protein, that protective protein is not present because it has mutant allele. So under high temperature, this organism don't have any mechanism, so it can't survive. It will die. So here you can see that under normal condition, this organism is living normally, but when temperature change, environmental condition change, temperature become high, then it will die. So this allele here will be called conditional lethal allele. So this was a hypothetical example. Now we will discuss real example. In case of humans, favism, it is a sex-linked condition. This favism is a sex-linked condition in which an enzyme, that is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, this enzyme is absent. So we can say that this enzyme is produced by a gene. So we can directly say that the gene that produce this enzyme glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, this gene is suppose mutated. If this gene is mutated, then this enzyme is not produced. So that organism is a deficit in this enzyme, and this condition is called favism. If an organism or human, you can say that here because this is from human. So if any human that has a deficiency in this glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, and that human eats fava beans, a type of beans, when that human eats fava beans, that human will develop hemolytic anemia. Means RBC of that person will break apart, and these RBC will block blood vessels. Due to this blockage will cause kidney failure and ultimately death. But that human which has this deficiency in glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, don't eat fava beans, it will live, that person will live normally. So here deficiency in this is acting as conditional lethal. If that person has a deficiency in this glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase and that person eats fava beans, it will cause death. But when that person don't eat fava beans, that person will live normally. So in normal condition, that person is living normally. But when condition changes, that person eats fava beans, it will cause death of that organism. So here the mutated gene for glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, or we can say mutated allele, is called conditional lethal gene or conditional lethal allele. Another example is chlorophyll. Another example is from plant, chlorophyll mutant of barley. This mutation, if a barley has this mutation, chlorophyll mutant, that barley will grow normal. It will grow normally under 19 degree or above. So when temperature is 19 degrees Celsius or above 19, that chlorophyll mutant barley will grow normally. But when temperature is below 19 degree, that barley will, or you can say can't synthesize chlorophylls. So if it can't synthesize chlorophyll, it can't photosynthesis, and ultimately its seedling will die. So under 19 degree or above temperature, it is living normally. But when temperature becomes low, it is below 19 degrees Celsius, that will die. So here that mutant, chlorophyll mutant, that is lethal allele. So this is conditional lethal gene or conditional lethal allele. Any allele or gene that is present in any organism, and that organism will live normally under normal condition, but when condition changes, it will cause death. So example is favism from humans, and another example is chlorophyll mutant from barley.